Hey, innovators. Q4 is practically knocking on the door, and you know what that means? Holiday sales are about to explode. Now, imagine riding that wave by creating Faceless Kids animated videos that rake in views like crazy. How crazy, you ask? Let me show you a few examples right now. Check this out. These videos are less than a year old, and most of them already have several million views. Many of these educational kids' channels have made anywhere from $1,000 and up by posting videos on many different topics, as simple as naming fruits, learning colors, or even first words. Yes, you saw that for yourself. Just look at these examples. One of those videos has over 201 million views. And guess what? I'm about to show you how you can create your own versions of these animated faceless videos if you want to, practically for free. Are you ready to learn more? First of all, you need an idea to start, but you can easily complete this step in one of two ways. If you're naturally brimming with creativity, hats off to you. Start jotting down those ideas, but if you're staring at a blank page wondering where to begin, don't sweat it. That's where our digital friend ChatGPT comes in handy. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a list of 10 simple learning ideas for a kid's educational video. Voila! Now we have a list of potential ideas to work with. And if you don't like those ideas, you can always run the prompt again to get more choices. Okay, now that you've got your ideas, it's scriptwriting time. Again, you have two options. You can either channel your inner Shakespeare and type out a new original script, or if you're feeling a little stuck, ChatGPT can help you out with this step too. Just prompt it with something like, imagine you're an elementary school teacher and write me a short, simple script for an educational YouTube video called Learning Colors. The video should introduce 3 colors, red, green, and yellow, introduced to kids by 3 cartoon characters, 1 for each color. And this video is targeted at preschool-age kids. For instance, if your video is called Name the Animals, you could ask for a script that includes naming basic animals, teaching kids how to spell the animal names, showing images of the animals in a fun way for kids. Easy peasy, right? Okay, here comes the fun part. Creating your characters. We'll also be using Canva for this, so if you don't have it yet, grab the link in the description to get started. Inside Canva, search for YouTube video. Our video is about colors, and I've already created the bodies for my characters in an AI art generator. Here they are. To give my peppers some personality, I'm going to add body parts to each like feet, arms, and a cute face. For feet, search cartoon feet, pick the ones you like, and add them to your character. I'm going to make them face the same direction. If the feet are in front of the pepper, no worries. Just right-click and choose Send Backward. Nice. The same goes for arms and the face. Use the same process to finish each of these characters. Before you know it, those peppers will be looking super cute and ready for action. Now, here's where the magic happens. If you need to readjust the limbs on the character, you can do that later. Once I get my backgrounds loaded, I will then add them to my story, but first I need to add 3 pages, 1 background per page. Next, we're going to add in some backgrounds for our story. I made these in the same AI generator as I made the peppers. Since I have already made, upscaled, and saved them, I will now upload them to Canva. We're using the tools inside Canva, and then we'll work with 1 character at a time. We're going to animate those characters and bring the story to life. Don't worry. It's easier than you think, and you don't need any special skills. In order to record your voices, you'll need to use something such as 11 Labs, and that's what I'll be using here. Before we get started, I want to show you that they do have different pricing plans available. You can use it for free. This is how many credits you get per month, but you can't use it for commercial use. So in order to use the narrations commercially, to record your videos to put them on YouTube, you'll need to sign up at least for the $5 a month plan. That's why I said at the start of this video that you can make kids' videos practically for free. $5 a month is fairly cheap, and you get about 30 minutes worth of audio. So this is a good place to start just trying it out. If nothing else, try it for a month, and if you don't like it, then you can cancel it. But that's just my suggestion. So let's go to speech and I'll show you how to use it. The easiest thing to do, if you've never used it before, is leave it on the Simple tab. That's what I'm gonna do. And on text to speech, here is my story script. Since it's very simple, I'm not going to break it down. I'm just going to take the whole thing and put it in here. You could take it and record it sentence by sentence if you wanted to, especially if you're using different narrators talking, but for this example, I'm just going to do the whole thing with one voice. You can hear the voices by looking at these and click on the button.
As we are liberated from our own fear, life without love is like a single rose can be my garden.
If you spend your whole life waiting for the storm, happiness can exist only in acceptance.
As we are liberated from our own fear.
This is the one I'm going to choose since it's for a kid's video. Once you've got everything in here that you want to record, just click Generate. You'll see it working down here. And then when it's done, all you have to do is download it. And that's how simple it is to use 11 Labs to create your voices. All right, now we have all our pieces. We have our characters, we have our background, we just recorded our narration. So let's take that and upload it. Just drag it over here and upload it. So for now, let's just take this playhead back to the beginning. Click on this. If we click on the small button, we can listen to it, but we're just going to click on this larger button to add it to my video. And wherever the playhead is, that's where the audio will be added. So we'll start the narration a little bit after the beginning of the video. Let's make each one of these pages a little bit longer, roughly 10 seconds each. So now our story background length matches our narration. Now we'll take these characters and add them, one per page to match the story. We'll put the red character here. We'll add the green character there, and we'll put the yellow one on the last page. Next, I'll add some simple animations. Let's start with the red one. We'll take this character, click on Animate, click on the bee, and then grab the character and we'll move it around the farmyard like it's walking. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, we'll make it smooth, then click Done. Now it's time for the green pepper. Click on him, click on Animate, click on the bee. Hold down the mouse button and we'll move him around the yard. Choose the steady mode, then click Done. And on the yellow pepper, we'll do the same thing. Click on the character, hold down the mouse button and move it around a bit. Click on Animate. Click on the bee. Move the character around the yard, then click Done. Next, we'll click here between the two pages and choose the transition button at the bottom. Then choose Slide and make it move that way. Do the same between the last two pages and add another transition. This time, choose Circle. Now, let's watch it and see what we made. I almost forgot to add the music, so I wanted to show you how to do that before we watch the final product. I went inside the YouTube music library and found this free piece and downloaded it. Then I uploaded it here. Next, make sure the playhead is at the beginning of the video. I'm going to click on the larger button and that will add it to my video below. Next, click on the music track. Right? Click on it and bring the volume way down so you can hear the words very easily. You do not want the music to be too loud to cover up the sounds of the narration. I'll add a fade at the end and I'll just delete this page. All right, and let's listen to it for a second. Yeah, that'll work. Now, let's watch the whole video together. After we download it first, and here's how you do that. Go to File, click on Download, make sure MP4 and all pages is chosen, then hit Download.
Today, we're going to have so much fun learning about 3 amazing colors. Are you ready? First, let's meet Rosie. She is a pretty pepper. Her color is red. Now, let's meet Benny. He is also a pepper. His color is green. Now, let's say hello to Sunny. She is a beautiful pepper too. Her color is yellow. Thanks for joining us today. We had so much fun learning colors with you.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.